AI coding assistants explained, GitHub Copilot, Devin, and beyond. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, AI coding assistants such as GitHub Copilot and others are transforming how software development takes place. These advanced tools leverage machine learning and vast code datasets to assist programmers, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. As developers work, these AI assistants provide code suggestions, snippets, and even entire functions, significantly speeding up the coding process and allowing for greater creativity. GitHub Copilot stands out among the growing number of AI coding tools. Developed in collaboration with OpenAI, it acts as an intelligent pair programmer. By analyzing comments and the current code context, Copilot can predict and suggest relevant code portions. This predictive capability empowers developers to focus on higher-level problem-solving while minimizing repetitive coding tasks. However, the tool is not without its challenges. It often requires vigilant oversight, as it can occasionally generate code with bugs or security vulnerabilities. Beyond GitHub Copilot, other AI coding assistants like Devin present unique features and capabilities. Devin, for instance, employs natural language processing to facilitate seamless communication between the programmer and the tool. It allows developers to describe functionality in plain English, which Devin can translate into corresponding code. This feature broadens the accessibility of coding, making it easier for non-developers or those with less experience to engage in programming tasks, bridging the knowledge gap in software development. As AI coding assistants continue their rapid advancement, questions about their impact on the software industry arise. One significant concern is the potential for over-reliance on these tools. While they promote efficiency, developers need to maintain critical thinking and problem-solving skills. They are encouraged to view these AI assistants as complementary tools rather than replacements for their expertise. Building this balance ensures the stability and security of code while embracing the benefits of AI technology. In conclusion, AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot and Devin signify an exciting frontier in software development. By streamlining coding processes and providing novel solutions, these tools enhance developer productivity and creativity. As they become more sophisticated, the future will likely reveal even greater potential applications. Ultimately, the goal for developers should be to integrate these tools into their workflows effectively, turning coding challenges into innovative solutions.